tit for tat. Harry drew up to risk a costly lawsuit against the Sun and Mirror instead of settling. The legal battle against the Mail on Sunday may finally be over. But for the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, another one looms, and this could make it all the way to trial. On this occasion, phone hacking is the heart of a case the Prince has brought against the Sun, the News of the World and the Daily Mirror. Newspapers, he claims, illegally intercepted his voice messages. It is expected to come to court next year, The Guardian understands, in another case that would pit one half of the Sussexes against powerful players in the tabloid press. Prince Harry is claiming damages of more than £200,000 in the legal action, first lodged in 2019. In court papers he has said it affected his relationships with friends and family and that he ultimately experienced a breakdown in trust. Articles highlighted include ones relating to his relationship with Chelsea Davy, which ended in 2010. For greater than a decade, phone hacking sufferers have invariably been accepting beneficent settlements from the tabloids that hacked them sooner than the circumstances succeed in court docket. However, it's imaginable, in particular given Meghan's feedback on Thursday, that Harry might be the only to wreck the mold. The mum or dad understands that there is not any signal of agreement at the present. There is not any love misplaced between the events, and for one, News Group Newspapers has alleged it is too late to bring the claim. In a court docket submitting, acquired through Newsweek, the Rupert Murdoch-owned corporate admitted that Harry's telephone was once hacked through the information of the global royal correspondent Clive Goodman and personal investigator Glenn Mulcair. A number of the articles it has conceded had been in line with hacking are an April 2006 document that Prince Harry has been given a livid Chelsea Davy dressing down over his late-night antics in a lap-dancing bar, and an August 2005 article of few confrontation between Harry and Prince Andrew over a taking pictures weekend at Balmoral. However, the submitting mentioned, those had been first printed over 6 years previous to the problem of those complaints, and this declare is due to this fact statute barred, and it's denied that Prince Harry is entitled to any reduction relating to it. Information team has challenged different facets of the Prince's claims together with that the Solar hacked his telephone. The opposite impediment to agreement might be Harry digging in heels in with a resolution to as an alternative download judgment towards the two newspaper teams in court docket. With different sufferers of telephone hacking, Harry is assumed to be the ultimate large title with an excellent declare. The development has been in line with their agreement in the end being made and permitted. On the other hand, given Meghan's want to modify a fashion that she mentioned rewards chaos above reality, there stays the chance that despite the fact that information team newspapers and succeeding PLC admit his declare is merited, and there is not any signal of that, Harry might be made up our minds to have his day in court docket. That might quantity to an impressive commentary of intent, for the reason that it will possibility leaving him closely out of pocket, as the price of a symbolic victory. In different phrases, through refusing agreement, Harry would possibility having to pay out criminal charges for the sake of, confidently, having a past judgment on rule in his favour towards his adversaries. For the general public that may be unthinkable. However, the couple's wealth and the exceptional, for royals, means during which they have got taken at the tabloid press head-on method, this can be a risk. And it's imaginable that, having won criminal struggle, they might be tempted into extra the place they really feel they have got been wronged through the click. They really feel